So now that our accessibility settings are set up, we can look at how to use Select to Speak. So first I want to make sure that I have the icon in my tray down here, that it's turned on. I'm going to use my regular full screen resolution zoom with Control and Shift plus, just to make that a little bigger. And I see here I have my button down here for Select to Speak. Let me go down to this paragraph here. I'm going to use Control plus, which just is the web page zoom, and I can make that a little bigger. So two ways to do this. I can select the button for Select to Speak and then highlight, and then I can do it by highlighting and then choosing a keyboard command. So first let me show. I'm going to select the Select to Speak button, and now I'm going to click and drag as if I were highlighting, but it gives me a box. So I can select that text, and when I let go.
Fastest mammal on land. The cheetah can reach speeds of 60 or perhaps even 70.
And I've just paused that, stopped it with the Control button. Okay, so again, that's turn it on down here and select text.
Fastest mammal on land. The cheetah.
Okay, so the other way is I can select the text first and then use my keyboard command, which is Launcher key or Search key S. So when I do that.
Fastest mammal on land. The cheetah can reach speed.
Okay, same thing. So again, highlighting the text first and using the keyboard command, Launcher key S.
Fastest mammal on land.
So I also want to show you that there is another option when we're using this. We have to go into settings, which I can do. I can go into, I wanted to go to the full settings, not just the accessibility settings. That will get us to more general section for accessibility. And when I go to text to speech here and my Select to Speak settings, I scroll down and I'll find navigation controls. That provides controls to speed up, slow down, and pause the reading voice. So if I turn that on, I'll show you now what happens when we're on this page. So either way I can get to it if I select the Select to Speak button and highlight.
Fastest mammal on land. The cheetah can reach.
Then I have this controller here. So it's has buttons that I can use with the trackpad or the mouse to select. I'm going to scroll down. Let me escape and then I'll turn that off. Let me scroll down here. And when you have this controller on screen, one thing it allows you to do is use some keyboard arrows to move around and hear other text. So a little bit like a full screen reader light gives you some of the capabilities to move this speech from paragraph or line to line. So let me use the method where I'm going to highlight this first, and then I'm going to, on my keyboard, go Launcher key S.
These cats are nimble at high speeds, able to make quick and sudden turns in pursuit of prey. Cheetahs' bodies are uniquely
So I'm going to turn that down a little bit, and I'm going to show that I can use my arrow keys and actually move around this text.
Cheetahs are famous for their These cats are nimble at high speed.
And I stop that, and it's moving around the text that's visible. It will continue without, at least right now on my Chromebook. If I go beyond what's visible on the screen, I can listen to it, but I'm not seeing it. So, I mean, I can scroll to find that. So those are ways to use Select to Speak.